In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in Goodday. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to set up a simple reminder so you don't miss important tasks or deadlines in your workspace. Let's get started from your Goodday dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and on the My Workload or Main Workspace view, where you normally see your tasks. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a small plus icon. This plus sign is your entry point for adding new items, including reminders. Go ahead and move your cursor over to that area and click on the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, a small menu will appear with different options for what you can create. In this list, look for the option labeled Reminder. It may be grouped along with tasks or events, but it should clearly say Reminder. Click on that option. This tells Goodday that instead of creating a full task or project, you just want a simple notification that will pop up at the time you choose. After selecting Reminder, a new window or panel will open where you can enter the details. This is the most important part, because what you type here determines how useful the reminder will be later. Start by giving your reminder a clear title, something that quickly tells you what it's about when you see it. For example, you might write Follow Up with Client, Review Project Plan, or Submit Weekly Report. Below the title, you'll usually have space for additional details or notes. Use this area to add any context you might need when the reminder appears. Links to documents, quick bullet-style notes written in sentences, or anything that explains what you need to do. You should also set the date and time for the reminder. Choose a time that is realistic for when you actually want to be notified, and double-check the date so you don't accidentally set it for the wrong day. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the title, notes, and schedule, look for the button that says Create Reminder. Click on that button to save it. Goodday will now store your reminder and notify you at the scheduled time, according to your account's notification settings. That's all you need to do to create a reminder in Goodday. Click the plus sign, choose Reminder, fill in your details, and then click Create Reminder.